Now we will go through some exercise which I have prepared for you. That one is fill in the blanks with these or those. In the blank, by seeing the picture, you have to write these or those. Dash are ducks. See, the ducks are where? It's near to the sentence. So what we will write here? THESE, these, because the ducks are near to the sentence. Moving to the next one. Dash are mugs. Where the mugs are, children? The mugs are far away from the sentence. So what we have to write in the blank? We have to write those. What is the spelling of those? THOSE, those. Why we wrote those here? Because the picture are far away from the sentence. See the next one that you have to write yourself. Dash are bags. What you have to write? See the picture, where the picture is? The picture is far away from the sentence. So we will write here THOSE, those. Next one. Dash are rats. See where the rats are? The rats are near to the sentence. So what we will write in the blank? We will write these. THESE, these. These are rats. Children, you have to write this one in your English copy. To make you clear about this, that, this, once again I am explaining. Children, you observe the picture and listen carefully what madam is telling. This is a flower. Why we wrote this here? Because see the picture, where the picture of flower? It is near to the sentence. So we wrote here this. This is a flower. Moving to the next one. How many flowers are there? There are 2 flowers and the flowers are near to the sentence. So how we will say? These are flowers. Then next one, where the picture first you see, the picture is far away from the sentence and it is 1 in number. So what we will write? That. That is a flower. Next picture. See here, more than 1 picture and it is far away from the sentence. So how we will say? We will say those are flowers. See, listen here children once again. This is a flower because it is 1 in number and near to the sentence. These are flowers because it is more than 1 and it is near to the sentence. That is a flower. See, it's 1 in number and far away from the sentence. So we use that here. Those are flowers. Why we use those here? Because it's more than 1 in number and it is far away from the sentence. So we use here those. Children, one more thing you have to see. This is, these are. This is singular. Then these are plural. That is singular. Then those are plural form. Then we move to the next exercise. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with this, that, these, those by seeing the picture. Dash is a mango. Where the mango is? The mango is near to the sentence. So what you have to write in the blank? You have to write this. THIS, this. Dash is an orange. See where the orange is. The orange is far away from the sentence. So, how many numbers are there? Only one. So, what you have to write here? You have to write THAT, that. See, dash are logs. See children, where the logs are? The logs are near to the sentence. So, what we will write in the blank? We will write THESE, these. Why we wrote this here? Because it is more than one in number and it is near to the sentence. Then moving to the next one, dash are bells. See children, where the bells are? The bells are far away from the sentence and it is more than one in number. So what we will write here? We will write THOSE, those. Dash are blouses. See children, where the blouses are? The blouses are near to the sentence. So what you have to write here? You have to write THESE, these. Dash are socks. See children, where the socks are? Socks are far away from the sentence. So what you have to write here? You have to write those. THOSE, those. See children, next one, dash are eyes. Where the eyes are near to the sentence. So you have to write THESE, this. In this way, you have to write this exercise in your English copy. Then now we will move to the question answer form. Answer the following. First question is, what are these? See children, what are these? These are elephant. Two elephants picture are there. So where the picture is near to the sentence. So how we will write the answer? First you will write these, THESE, these. First you will write, then you will write R, ARE. Then the elephant's spelling you have to write. These are elephants. In this way you have to write the answer. What are these? Children, see the picture. What picture is this? These are tops. Then how you will write the answer? First you will write these. Then you will write R. Then you will write the picture's name. See here, THESE, these are tops. TOPS, tops. What are those? Children, see where the picture and what picture it is. The picture is far away from the sentence. And how many number it is? It is 2 in number. So it is more than 1. And what you will write? Those are skirts. THOSE, those. ARER, SKIRTS, skirts. What are those? Then how you will write the answer? First seeing the picture. Those are shoes. SHOES, shoes. Children, like this you have to practice from your English book, page number 20, 22, 24 and 28. This one also you have to write in your English copy. I had prepared some more exercise for you. This one is in question answer form. You have to write yourself now. Answer the following. What is this? By seeing the picture, you have to write the answer. Here, this is a picture of a bird and see where the picture is. The picture is near to the sentence. Then how you will begin? the answer? First you will write this, then you will write is, then you will write the picture name. This is a bird. Then, what are these? What are these, children? What picture is it? It's a picture of a grape. Then, how you will write the answer? First you will write these, then you will write are, then you will write the picture name. These are grapes. What is that? See, children, what picture is this? This is a picture of a vase. So, that is a vase. What are those? See, children, those are kites. Then how you will start writing? THOSE. Those will come first. Then you will write are. Then you will write the picture name. Okay? Then what are these? What picture is this? Picture of spoons. It's more than one, isn't it? Then how you will write? THESE. These are spoons. See, children, this one you have to fill up yourself. Okay. Thank you.